guys, it's LilyPet3 here, and I'm with my dad. And today we're gonna eat some Chinese candy. Yep. Let's get started. What first one should we do?
We don't even know what these are.
Yeah?
We don't speak any. We don't read the language, man.
Yep. If any of you guys do Chinese,
You're gonna know what we're gonna eat first before we eat it.
Translate it in the comments.
Well, they don't have. Well, this has a picture of a penguin, and it's got a little picture of some milk and an egg.
Protein.
Mm.
Protein. Should I go grab some handy dandy scissors?
Handy dandy scissors, probably.
I'll go grab some handy dandy scissors. Be right back.
I'm all alone. What do I do?
Handy dandy scissors.
You didn't run with these, did you?
No.
Don't run with scissors.
I didn't run with them holding them to the other. We should try them at the same time. Ooh.
Oh. Okay.
Cookie. That's a fortune cookie. That's not. Wait. It first tastes like a fortune cookie,
Well,
and then it's very sugary.
that literally tastes like animal cracker. It's kind of got a texture of an animal cracker. And then it melts in your mouth.
And it's very.
And then it kind of tastes marshmallowy.
Yeah, it actually tastes like.
Like marshmallow cream.
Yeah.
I like them.
Still gets a flavor in your mouth.
The milk and the marshmallow. Like a toasted marshmallow.
A toasted marshmallow.
You want another one?
I'll try one.
What are we going to do with all the rest of these that are open?
Just eat them.
Like right now or later?
Later, I guess. Yeah, there's actually this kind of powder inside I can see.
Oh, there's a powder?
Yeah, a little bit.
Weird.
Yeah. Yeah, it's
Yeah, no.
hard to show things at the camera.
Okay, we'll set that over there.
Oh no.
Oh no. I don't know what this is, but I see pictures of stuff.
Yeah, I was showing this to Dad earlier, and I was like, "This is what I think of people's Chinese candy. Is this plastic?"
It is like a styrofoam surfboard thing. Styrofoam surfboards.
Yep. Let's eat it.
Let's eat them.
Nope.
They got a, like airy, ricey, thingy texture.
Yeah.
Almost like a corn flavor.
And we have like tons of the different flavors.
Well, we're showing it to them. You don't have to tell them that. You don't have to tell them that thing yet. We're eating them. What she's talking about is we tried this one.
Yeah. But there's
And
different
this is
flavors.
like a Cheeto kind of food. You know, like Cheetos are all puffy and weird.
But it's
or
corn
Funyuns.
pottage.
Well, we don't know how to say that. I don't think that's pottage.
Pottage.
Pottage. That word.
Pottage.
That's what she's saying. Anyway.
Corn pottage. Corn pottage. Corn potaja.
Pottage.
It's just like trying to say
anyway,
batata.
Like a Funyun, like a Cheeto, but it tastes like, but it's a big tube, and it's
there's
hollow,
different flavors.
and it tastes like corn on the cob.
Yeah, there's different flavors, and we haven't tried the rest.
Okay.
So we're scared to see that.
So here's this thingy.
It's cookie. Cookie. It's a cookie.
Well, it's kind of like the same. It's kind of like the same stuff of the little cardboard surfboards. So who knows
I don't know.
what it is?
If they taste the exact same, I'm just gonna drink more of my Pepsi.
Here, you can have the big piece.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Ow.
I feel like I've tasted that before.
It's sweet.
Is that a funnel cake or something? Or something? Tastes like a funnel cake.
It's like a rice cake with some sweet frosting stuff.
Why does all of this stuff have to be rice?
Well, it's not candy. It's all snacks. Some of it's candy. Yep.
Like the gum.
Is there gum in there?
Yeah, there's a Pikachu gum too, and I was like, that's the one I'm having. You can see I am a very much of a Pokemon nerd.
So if there's doubles, I'm just going to put them away, and we're just going to bite out of the one, right?
No, that one has a pepper on it, I think.
No, that one has little shrimpies on it.
I saw another, and it was like a squid with tons of, I don't know if it was a squid, but it was a thing with tons of legs, and I was like, wait, does that mean that's going to be squid flavor? Oh, no. And that's a different color than the other one we tried off camera.
Yeah. So these are going to be definitely like the same. They're going to have that Cheeto-like flavor, or Cheeto-like texture.
But weird flavors. That's what
Weird
Chinese
flavors.
people like.
Well, I don't know if these are Chinese or not. I don't know where. They're definitely
I don't like the smell
of
of
Asian
this.
descent.
I don't like the smell of this.
Oh, it does smell gross. Ah. Okay.
Never tried Japanese candy at home, kids.
It's like a shrimp Cheeto.
No. Drink all of this Pepsi.
Yucky shrimp Cheetos. Oh, no shrimp Cheetos. I don't even want to eat these anymore.
Well, we gotta. Here's the.
We're going to get through all these nasty little boogers.
Yep. Here's a pizza one. It has pizza on there at the top, so
Hopefully this one's better.
Better, at least. Better smelling, at least, I bet. Nope, it still doesn't smell good.
It's definitely better than the shrimp one, but it's still not that good. It's like Cheetos soaked in pepperoni grease.
This Pepsi saves my life.
Huh.
Cheers to Pepsi.
How many more of these do we have? 3? Alright.
And one looks like there's a squid on it, so I'm interested. This one's not that one.
This one has a little clown on a bicycle. So hopefully this one's sweet and not all shrimpy.
Yeah, I think I'd like one that had chocolate on it better than shrimp. Or corn potage. I'm scared.
Ah. Oh. I don't even know what that is.
It's better at least.
I'm still liking the first
Saves
thing
my
we ate.
life. Yeah, I'm liking
Yeah.
the first one. This saves my
Still
life.
like the weird marshmallow nublets.
Mm-hmm.
Marshmallow nublets.
Yep, they're at
Oh
least.
crap! There was another one I didn't see. So there's still 3 more.
Wait. That one has a sunflower on it.
Little sunflower.
Is it gonna taste like flowers? No. I don't know what the flowers taste like.
I doubt it's gonna taste like flowers.
It's gonna smell as bad as the rest. I'm telling ya.
It's kind of got a. Oh shit!
Seed.
Kind of got like a nacho, cheesy smell. Look at that.
It's better.
It's better. Still not very good.
That's one that I was talking about.
Oh, that's the one that's got all the weird punchy squid. There's a weird boxing squid on the bottom.
I'm scared.
I'm scared too. But what kind of a video would this be if we didn't eat it? It would just be a video of us eating good tasting things.
That's not fun for you viewers.
Look at that one.
For us.
It's all.
Why can't... Oh my gosh. I said gosh for the viewers. I'm telling you, I'm literally going to run away when I taste this.
I don't know.
I'm going to run away back with my Pepsi. I feel like we're eating squids for you guys. Zeus, you like that? Zeus needs to go to Japan or whatever these are from. Yeah, we have Zeus.
Okay, last one of these things. This one's all purple. It's got a weird king on it and a little scientist dude.
Oh no. This means it's gonna taste like a scientist. It doesn't smell good. Hey, you gotta eat it too.
I know. I'm waiting for you to. You take a bite first.
Dad.
Yeah, but you've been.
Same time, okay? Same time. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh.
I'll be right back.
Yeah, you can spit it out. That's horrible.
Why you torture me?
That one was bad.
I bet it tastes like a scientist. Someone just crumbled up a scientist, and you're like, hey, you know what? Japanese people would like to eat scientists.
You know when you go down to like a dirty lake?
And you taste the water?
That's tastes like what dirty lake smells like. Like just rotten fish up on the beach or on the shore, you know?
So you eat the rotten fish,
Blah.
not the smell, and whatever.
Oh my jeebies.
Pepsi saves my life. I almost ate it the wrong way.
Okay, onward.
Onward with
Time
better
for another.
tasting
That's it. That's all that's on the package.
wafer. It's a Hello Kitty wafer.
It's just another little rice surfboard. So hopefully.
Surfboard. It doesn't smell as good. Salted, salted, salted. We are salt. Japanese people love, 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 love salt.
It tastes like salted cardboard.
Nothing. Don't try Japanese candies at home, kids, or Chinese, whatever. That one?
This one just has that on it, and it looks kind of like a Swiss cake roll.
I don't like Swiss cake rolls.
Or maybe
Maybe
it's, hopefully it's sweet and not sushi.
I hate sushi. Never had it, but I hate seafood, except for shrimp. Except for that shrimp thing over there. I mean, I actually like it. Okay.
It's not too bad. Why you keep putting that up there? What's that gonna do?
I don't know. I don't know where to put it. Oh, Zeus. Zeus!
Dog.
Yeah.
That one had a really dry, dusty cake, but then it had like, I don't know. It's not maple, but it was like a caramel flavoring to it. I'm not sure what to think of this, but it's kind of like a chocolate chip cookie.
But I don't know what those black things are.
But
it's like they can be chocolate chips, or they can be super, super spicy black candies.
I don't know. They look like some kind of nut.
Oh no!
Or coffee bean.
I'm totally allergic to nuts. Let's trick them.
She's not allergic to nuts.
I'm allergic to nuts.
Nope. Not a bit.
I am allergic. I don't care what you say. I'm spitting that out.
It is. It's like a nut.
I don't care. It's like what the...
I'm amassing like a thing here. Like a...
His desk is a mess.
Okay, I think we have two of these. We do have two of these. So, this seems promising.
Yes. It's promising than corn pottage, okay? More promising
Corn
than
potatoes.
that.
Oh, look at that. That's cute. Looks like a little sucrete.
Yep, it's a...
Yay.
Finally.
Candy. That's pretty good. Hard candy, strawberry flavored. Get rid of that nutty flavor in your mouth. So what do you think of the food so far?
Except for the one we just ate. Disgusting, disgusting. What did Chinese...
Basically, this candy and these first candies that taste like marshmallows, but they're dry cookies, so far are the only two good ones we've actually had, huh?
Probably because the rest we've had is a wafer, a kind of cookie nut thing. I hate nuts. And those bars of devil evilness.
Evilness. Shrimp flavored, ugh. Pizza flavored, cheesy flavored, corn flavored there. No. I'm not digging them.
You forgot the scientist.
The scientist one, I don't even know what that was.
And it was disgusting.
My hat's on crooked. Meh.
What, was it a potion that was going to poison us all?
No, I think it was like spicy crab.
I hate crab.
It tasted like rotten fish.
At least you like crab better than me.
Not that though. I don't like that one.
I like crab, but I don't like that one.
This is really handy because some of these.
He's named Krabby.
There you go. Some of these are like doubles, so I get to try one, and she gets to try one.
One looks more promising. What did you just eat?
I chewed the strawberry thing. Kind of tastes funny once you chew it. I don't know. Oh.
Well, let's try
Lychee
it.
candy. Lychee?
Lychee.
Lychee candy.
Looks more promising.
It's kind of a weird pink. No. It was pink in the wrapper, but it's clear white on the outside.
Now it's not promising. I just smelled it.
It does smell funny.
Dang it, and there's some hair on mine. I need to get this washed before I eat it.
Okay. Big difference from what I just ate. Get back here. Put it in your mouth. Eat the thing. That
It's okay.
tastes like flowers.
Tastes good. How do you know what flowers taste like?
You ever smelled the flowers?
Yeah.
It's got that flower thing. I have had rose petal gum, and that's kind of got a rose petal to it.
It's okay.
It's okay. At least it's candy. I think we're going to save these for last. To get all the taste out of our mouth. You're going to clean this up, right?
You're the one who's putting them up there.
Well, yeah, but I mean, it's your channel. Okay. Onward and upward. Nutta.
More nuts. Why?
This seems like a chocolatey rice cookie.
Finally, something chocolate. I'll take the little piece.
The little piece. It kind of looks like what are they called?
Nope, that does not look like chocolate.
Puffs. I like puffs.
It doesn't smell like chocolate either.
Oh, it doesn't. Salty.
Truth.
Salty. Rice puff. Like a soy sauce.
I don't care what you say. I can spit out any candy I want.
Cheater. Everybody. She's a cheater. I'm at least eating and swallowing the rest of the stuff. If I take a bite of it.
If I swallow that, I will.
This is a cool little package.
Mm-hmm. Oh no, that looks like a powder.
Powder?
Mm-hmm.
No.
How are we gonna
It's
eat a powder?
kind of like a hard cookie looking.
Graham cracker.
Yeah.
There's white stuff in it.
What is the white stuff?
Yeah, I got no white stuff.
It's like a nut.
And it's disgusting. Just imagine that with white stuff in it.
It's like a white peanut kind of thing. Don't do that.
Okay. Zeus loves these, by the way. He's a Chinese dog, I bet. He's like a mix of breeds we don't know. We just got him on Facebook.
Oh, package.
Yeah.
Ta-da. Another
Crispy. But they're circles. They're
Another
cookies.
crispy circle cookie thingy. Down the hatch. Ma'am, what I'm surprised about
No. Over there.
is that I'm waiting for them to be like sweet.
And all this is salt.
There's just a lot of salt.
I bet there's a store in the Chinese or Japanese place. They're just like, hey, you know what? Here's salt, and this one's a weird one. Squishy.
I'll try this one. This one looks like a little Debbie cake. Looks like a little cake, and it's got a little thingy.
It's a strawberry shortcake without strawberry. It's a shortcake.
But it's got a little thingy on it. That's the
The
little
thing in
thing.
the middle. I'm scared. Very scared.
Another really dry sponge cake. Interesting.
Life lesson, kids. Never.
This one,
It's a melon bubble gum.
yeah, it looks like
You can blow a bubble. I don't know
what
how.
are those called? Honey? Is that a cantaloupe?
Yeah, but it's melon.
It says melon bubblegum. It's the only one
You can blow a
that
bubble.
I've found
I
so
can't.
far that has some English on it.
Yep. You can blow a bubble.
Oh, neat.
I cannot. You can blow the bubble. I can't.
They're little,
I don't blow bubbles.
they're little
Circles?
circles.
What the heck?
Boink.
You can chew a bubble gum. You can chew a bubble.
Nah.
Squishy. Blow a bubble. I can't.
You can't blow a bubble with this stuff.
It's bubble gum.
There's two more in there.
We should
It's not
save
bad.
that after the video. We should save that for the end so we can wash out all those flavors. Because that's a good.
Yeah, that's not bad. I'm gonna try this weird one. So this we've been looking at the whole time we've had this little thing.
Is that gum? It's gummy. I have to.
The reason we've been looking at it is because, like she just kind of said,
Squishy.
she said it's gum. She was talking about that, but this is kind of gummy. So it's like
squishy.
squishy.
Well, I've just been playing it with the
Just
whole
a little.
entire time.
Focus, focus, focus. It's a little ball of squishy.
Focus.
So I got this candy, and this is Squishy, and I shall call him my Squishy, and he shall be mine. I'm gonna cut it in half. Hopefully, it doesn't have any like stuff in it.
Yeah.
Oh, it does.
Oh no.
Wow, that's weird.
What the?
So I cut it in half. Yeah, here.
That's
your piece. I cut it in half.
Jelly.
And there's this thing in it.
Jelly.
So it's goo. Goo. It's all goo. Goo.
I'm gonna try the outside first.
You should just put the whole thing in your mouth.
The outside is dry. 1, 2, 3.
Ah. Oh. Oh dear.
I'm petrified.
No. Hey, bring me something.
What?
Yeah.
Dad's going to spin it out. No.
What the heck was that?
I officially don't want to go to China when I grow up.
Okay, that wasn't sweet. That wasn't salty. I don't know what the heck that stuff was.
Plain, dry, weird jelly that came from a volcano. What the heck?
I don't know. It was like gelatin with like a date or a fig in the middle. That's kind of what it tasted like to me. That was gross.
It was
Gross.
It was like.
No good. Okay, so this is nothing, but it has a picture of Goku from the Dragon Ball Z.
You just love that show, don't you?
Not really.
You used to, or whatever.
I've seen it. I don't love it.
I don't even
good
know
show.
what it is.
It's a
It
good
looks
show.
weird. The only thing I know is over 9,000 or whatever.
Yep.
This is the
You've
only
never
thing
seen it.
I've never seen
It's just you.
Gum.
Are you guessing? Like
it.
aggressively?
No, I'm not guessing.
You're aggressively guessing? Uh-oh. This is what come out of the wrapper. So that's kind of weird. And I'm going to like break it in half, and it's kind of chalky or whatever. It's not really stretchy or gooey. So, down the hatch.
Gum.
Yeah, it's gum.
It's just weird, shaped weird. Never judge a book by its cover. That's it.
Shaped weird gum. I don't know what this little thing is. This was inside of it. Maybe it's a joke, like a bazooka. Bazooka bubble gum.
Bazooka bubblegum.
I don't know.
That's better than any of these candies combined.
It is. It's really good gum. Yay, Dragon Ball Z gum.
I bet this one's gonna be better. Gotta spit this out. Good stuff. Gum.
This says right on the package, it's for sale in Japan.
So maybe this
So it
is,
must be Japanese.
I think it's all from Japan and Chinese, probably. Pikachu! It's gonna taste better. I know it. It's gonna taste like grape. I'm a fortune teller. It's gonna taste like grape, and I know it because I'm a fortune teller.
Why do you think it's going to be grape?
Because I'm a fortune teller.
Is that the only reason?
Yep.
I mean, because it's a yellow Pikachu on there.
Yeah, but...
And the purple packaging.
Yeah, but still.
So, let's take a look at this whole thing.
It's grape. I know it.
It's got a little blue thing like that in there. And this one is the same type of material.
They shape their
But
gum weirdly. But there's more than one. I'll have two.
Okay.
Because I know it's going to taste like grape.
Down the hatch.
Grape. It's all
Yeah.
white. Like,
It reminds me of Big League Chew. Big League Chew is that bubble gum in the package with the baseball guy. Yeah. That's pretty good.
delicious.
Yep, I like it.
Delicious, but we must spit it out. It's gum. Don't want to get hurt swallowing it.
Don't want to get hurt swallowing it.
There's a lot of gum in here.
Mm-hmm.
This one looks good. Trusting, I love it. You guys, if you don't know this, I'm gonna faint. But the only difference is it's green. So I'm kind of scared.
Yeah, so...
Kit Kat green, Kit Kat.
Here. This,
Kit Kat green.
Watch that. I was wondering. I thought they were just melted.
I knew it. I knew it. It was a good Kit Kat thing. Why? It's melted.
I don't think it's melted. I think it's meant to be this way. Be careful. Oh. I was like, yay, we can have some chocolate to wash down all this weird stuff.
We need to
Look at it. Now it smells like rotten fish.
Guys, just smell the camera. So
Yeah.
you smell this. Just
I bet you
smell
can
the
smell
camera.
rotten fish and seaweed. I'm not eating that.
This leaves me no choice.
Like,
It leaves me.
I'm not eating that. I will not let you down, though. Let her try and go. Her.
I'm gonna bite it now.
Steven. Ah, I knew it was Steven. You're gonna eat this for the camera.
You better
Instead,
eat
because
this
okay,
for my
I've eaten all this
video.
crap, and 90% of it was gross. And you guys can have that, and you can snack away and decide if it's gross on your own. But I'm doing a video right now, and this was supposed to be a Kit Kat. It says Kit Kat, says Nestle,
green.
and it's supposed to be for the final thing so that I can wash all that crap down with some nice Kit Kat chocolate. Okay?
Go down so the
Now,
video can
it's
see
not
it.
green because it's rotten. It's green because that's what it's supposed to be, but I can't read the rest of the Japanese, so I don't know what it is. But smell that.
Smell that, please.
That's
Go down so
So
the
you
camera
need to
can
be
see
down here
you.
so the camera can see you. And I can't let them
Crunch.
down. One of us has got to eat this shit, and I'm not going to do it.
You want your friend to do it with you?
I don't think his friend wants to do that.
It's better. Hey, on camera.
Oh.
Actually, that's pretty good.
What?
What?
You're lying to us, so we
That's pretty
would
good.
eat
You're
it.
full of crap.
No, that's pretty good.
What does it taste like for the camera?
Like peanut butter. Tastes like kind of chunky peanut butter,
You're lying.
and that's about it. That's about
You're
all.
lying.
I don't know what these
That
other flavors
shitty,
are.
that gray, excuse my language.
You need to edit this to block that out.
That look on his face tells me that it's maybe not what he's saying it is.
You know what?
You sure it smells like fish?
It
I
tastes
am-
pretty good. I mean, like I can't describe the taste, but like
I don't care.
kind of
I'm
a peanut
taking
butter.
it for the team.
All right, your turn.
I have more than my friends on Animal Jam. Shout out to Denderinia.
Thanks, Steven.
James liar.
I'm not a liar. Hey, I thought you were going to eat that. Oh, did you put it in your mouth? Did you actually bite it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Zeus. Come in. I hate my brother for doing that. He is a nasty liar. Okay. So that's all for today. We don't have any more candy, sadly. Please subscribe and like, and maybe you can check out my other 2 videos. I know I only have 2. Well, that's it for all today, folks. Bye.